to 39. So x equal to 39. After 17th innings, his average is after 17th inning, his average is 39 runs. So next question. In a class, in a 120 students, in a class 120 students. So in a class 120 students. So whole class average is whole class average is whole class average is 35 marks, 35 marks, and passed candidates average is passed candidates average marks is marks average passed candidates average marks are 39. Failed candidates average marks are 15. Find the total number of find the total number of passed candidates. So once again, in class 120 students write examination, whole class average marks are 35 and passed candidates average marks are 39 and failed candidates average marks are 15. Find the total number of passed candidates. Find the number of passed candidates. So this is suppose passed candidates average suppose you can take passed candidates is passed candidates you can take x. So that means failed candidates 120 minus x. Passed candidates you can take x, failed candidates 120 minus x. So according to class average marks are passed candidates average marks into passed candidates average into passed candidates plus failed candidates average into failed candidates average into failed candidates equal to total class into class average. So here passed candidates average marks into passed candidates plus failed candidates average marks into failed candidates equal to total class into class average marks. So here you can take passed candidates average marks are 39x plus failed candidates are 120 minus x. Failed candidates average marks is 15. So 15 into 120 minus x. So total class 125 average equal to 35. So that's why 39x plus 1800 minus 15x equal to, so 120 into 35, that is 35 into 35 into 120, so 4200. 4200. 120 into 35 is 4200. So 39x plus 1800 minus 15x equal to 4200. So 24x equal to 2400. So x equal to 100. Passed candidates are 100. Passed candidates are 100. So this is the method 1. Method 2. So method 2 is, suppose we can take, this is the rule of elimination. Rule of elimination. So this is 120 students. So passed candidates average, failed candidates average. So passed candidates average marks are 39, failed candidates average marks are 15. So class average marks is 35. Class average marks is 35. So rule of elimination is, suppose you can total strength 120. So passed candidates average this, failed candidates average this. So class average is this. So you can find how many passed candidates, how many failed candidates. So this is the rule of elimination. Rule of elimination is 39 minus 35, that is the 4. So this is 4. That means this is 20. 35 minus 15, that is 20. So that means in the ratio, this is the 5 is to 1. So here number of pots is 16. 16 pots is 120. 16 pots is 120. So 1 pot equal to 20. But here passed candidates are 5 pots. That's why passed candidates are 5 pots. So 1 pot equal to 20. So 5 pots equal to 5 into 20, that is the 100. So here passed candidates is 100. So once again, in a class 120 students, whole class average in 35 marks and passed candidates average marks are 39. Failed candidates average marks are 15. Find the total number of passed candidates in the examination. So rule of elimination is, passed candidates average put here, failed candidates average here. So class average marks are here. So 39 minus 35, this is the subtractor from 39 minus 35. So that's why this is the 4. Then next 35 minus 15. 35 minus 15, that is the 20. So in the ratio, that is the 5 is to 1. That means passed candidates 5, then failed candidates is 1. This is in the ratio 5 is to 1. So 6 pots, total number of pots equal to 6 pots. 6 pots equal to 120. So 1 pot equal to 20. So here passed candidate, if you want passed candidate, that is the 5 pots, 5 into 20, 100. So passed candidates are 100. So the next. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is the average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 61. Find the difference between the largest number. Find the difference between the largest number smallest number. So here The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 61. Find the difference between the largest number and smallest number. So you can take, so that is the consecutive odd numbers means you can take x plus 2, x plus 4, so that is the x plus 6, that is x plus 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, those are consecutive odd numbers. Suppose is given to consecutive even numbers, you can take this format only. So suppose it is, smallest even number is 2, that's why 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here average is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. So if you want average, that is the 5 equal to 61. So x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20 by 5 equal to 61. So here you can take common x plus 4, 5 common, so by 5 equal to 61. So 5 cancel, so x equal to 57. So that's why consecutive odd numbers are x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8. So here x equal to 57. So this is the 57, this is the 59, so this is the 61, 63, so 65. So he asking find the difference between the largest number and smallest number. So 65 minus 57, so that is the 8. 8 is the answer. So the next, another example. So here the average weight of A, B and C is 45 kg. If the average weight of A and B is 40 kg and that of B and C is 43 kg, then weight of the B is. So here average weight of ABC is 45 kg. So that means A plus B plus C by 3 equal to 45. So that means A plus B plus C equal to, so 135 kg. So but A plus B is, A and B is, so that is A plus B by 2 is 40, that means A plus B is 80. So B plus C is, so B plus C by 2 equal to 43. So that's why B plus C equal to 86. But if you want B says here A plus B plus C equal to 135. So that's why, suppose A plus B value is, you can substitute this equation. So 80 plus C equal to 135. So C equal to, so 135 minus 80. So that is, so 55 kg. C's weight is 55 kg. If you want B's weight, B plus 55 equal to 86. B is 121 kg. So once again, the average weight of ABC is 45 kg if the average weight of A and B is 40 kg and that of B and C is 43 kg, then weight of the B is, so A plus B plus C is, by average is, A plus B plus C by 3 is 45. So that's why A plus B plus C equal to 135. So A plus B, A and B is A plus B by 2. So average of A and B is A plus B by 2. So that is the 40. So A plus B equal to 80. So B plus C equal to 86. So that's why, B plus C 80 is 80. Substitute the A plus B is 80. Substitute this equation. So A plus B is 80. So that's why plus C equal to 135. So here C equal to 135 minus 80. So that is the 55 kg. So then next, so substitute this C's value in this equation. B plus 55 equal to 86. So B's weight is 21 kg. So then next problem. So the average age of 36 students in a group is 14 years. When teacher's age is also included, the average age increased by 1 year. Find the age of the teacher. So in a class 36 students, so that's why 36 into 14. So 36 into 14, 14 6 is 84. So 14 3 42. So 14 6 is 84, 8 14 3 is 42, that is the 504. So teacher is also included, that is 37, and average is increased by 1, that's why this is 15. So 37 into 15, so 55, 15 into 7 105, 10. So 15 3 is 45, 10, 55. So that is 55. So if age of the teacher is so subtract, that is 51 years. So here once again, the average age of 36 students in a group is 14 years. When teacher's age is also included, the average age increased by 1 year. Find the age of the teacher. So here 36 students. So 36 students into 36 into 14, that is the 504. So 37 into 15, that is the 555. If you want, because of one teacher is also included in a class, that is 37. So 1 year increase, 14 plus 1, 15 years. So that's why 37 into 15. So 15 into 7, 105, 10. 15 into 3, 45 plus 10, 55. So if you want age of the teacher, you can subtract it from the 555 minus 504, that is the 51 years. So the average of 11 results is 60. If the average of first 6 results is 58 and that of last 6 results is 63, find the sixth result. So here 11 results is 60. 11 results, find average is, average of 11 results is 60. So that's why total is 660. So if the average of first 6 results is 58, so that is 6 into 58 plus, and that of last 6 results is 63. So that's why 63 into 6. So here 5 into 6 into 58, so that is 348. So that is 63 into 6, 378. 348 plus 378. 726. So here 726 minus 660. So that is 666. Last result is sixth result is 66. So average of 11 results 60. So that's why 660. Average of first 6 results is 58. 6 into 58. So average of last 6 results is 63. So 63 into 6. So here, so 348 plus 378, that is the 726. So 726 minus 11, this is the 12 results. This is 11 results. So 12 results minus 11 results. So 726 minus 660. So 66. So the next another example, the average weight of 10 horsemen in a boat increased by 1.8 kg when one of the crew whose weight is 53 kg replaced by new man. Find the weight of the new man. So here very simple, the average weight of 10 horsemen in a boat increased by 1.8 kg. So that's why 10 into 1.8, so that is 18 kg. So when one of the crew whose weight is 53 kg, so that is the Newman weight 53 plus 18, that is the 71 kg. Once again, the average weight of 10 horsemen in a boat increased by 1.8 kg when one of the crew whose weight is 53 kg replaced by new man. So find the new man weight. So, when one of the new man is came, that's why 1.8 kg is increased. So that's why 10 into 1.8, 18 kg. New man weight is, so already 53 kg replaced. So 53 plus 18, 71 kg. Okay. So next problem. The average age of a students of a class is 15.8 years. The average age of boys in the class is 16.4 years. So, end that of the girls is 15.4 years. Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in the class. So, already you know, boys average age is 16.4 years and girls average age is 15.4 years. So, the average age of a students of a class average is 15.8 years. So, according to rule of elimination, so 16.8 minus 16.8 minus 16.4 minus 15.8. So, this is 15.8 minus 15.4. So, that is 0.4. So, this is 0.6. That is 4 is to 6. That is 2 is to 3. So, the average age of a students of a class is 15.8 years. The average age of boys in the class is 16.4 years and the girls average age is 15.4 years. If you want ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls, so according to rule of elimination, 16.4 years boys average, 15.4 years girls average is, the class average is 15.8 years. So that's why 16.4 minus 15.8, so that is the 0.6. So this is the 0.4. So 4 is to 6, 4 by 10, 6 by 10. So that is the 2 is to 3 years.